Morning dear students, today we will discuss the remaining part of staffing. So dear students, today we will discuss the topic is training. So what is the meaning of training? Dear students, training means occupying the employees with the required skills to perform the job. The candidates are sent for training so that they can perform the job in the expected manner. Or training means development the efficiency of an employee's skills, knowledge for the perform a particular job position. Clear? Or what is the meaning of training? In simple language, you can say generate the efficiencies of employees for achievement of particular target of the organization. Or training is increase the working efficiency of employees for fulfill the particular task in an organization. Training is differ from the development. What is development? Dear students, development means the overall growth of the employees, and the development is always only the managerial level people responsible, and training is given only employees, they work on a particular department. Dear students, now we discuss the need of training of organization. So we have the importance of training in an organization with the point of views of organization as well as employees. So first of all, we will discuss the importance of training in the respect of organization. The first benefit is reduce the learning time. Trained employees take very less time learning to the job as compared to untrained people. So it is reduce the learning time period of the people. Next one, better performance. The performance of trained employees is better in comparison to untrained employees. So dear students, when the firm give the training to employees for the perform a particular job position, then it is increase the efficiency of employees and reduce the wastage of the organization. So its impact goes the performance of organization is improved. Next one, attitude formation. The training and development aim as molding the behavior of employees. They can easily mold according to requirement. So they always develop the positive attitude with the help of training, and it is beneficial for organization because organization easily achieve or adopt the advanced technology and advanced production process and achieve the target. Next one, add in or help in solving the operational problem. Yes, at the time of operation, when the employees face the lot of types of problems, then he can easily solve out all the problems because they understand how to operate the machine and how to manage the machine and how to machine maintain in a working condition. So the small problem he can be solved out when at the time of performance he fails. Next one, managing the manpower requirement. The training is also manage the manpower requirement of the organization, because when organization start the some plant and use latest technology and advanced production process, so they have no expert employees. So the firm is firstly appoint a fresher and after that give the training for the regarding of the particular techniques and method. So it is develop the future, it is fulfill the future requirement of the organization employees. Help in adapting to change. Yes, when the 10 employees appointed in an organization, then organization easily adapt the change because they easily understand and easily trained for the achievement of target and how to handle the new technology, new production methods, because it is already trained. The very small changes done by the employee's performance, and after that he can easily perform better in an organization. That's your benefit of training of the employees and the point of view of the organization. Next one we have discussed the benefit of training in respect of employees. The first one, better career option. Training is increase the skills or knowledge, so it is increase the better career option of the employees. Earning more. The training is improve the efficiency of employees. Then employees can be earned more with the help of his performance. When the employee's performance is better, then the organization pays the higher salaries to employees. Boost up the morale of the employees. Training is also boost up the morale of the existing employees, because when they have any problem at the operation time, then he can easily solve out, because they already understand how to utilize the technology and the production process or method of production, so he can easily solve out all the problems without any help of others. So training also develops the moral and boost up of moral of the existing employees. Less chance of accident. That's your another importance of training in respect of the employees. When the trained employees perform on a particular job position, then he is efficient and perform effectively. So at the moment the accidental chance is minimized and risk is also minimized. That's your benefit of the training in respect of employees. The next topic is the method of training. Dear students, we have two methods of training. The first one is on the job method of training, and next one is of the job method of training. Now first of all we are discuss on the job method of training. Under this method of training, the employees is always trained in an organization to perform on the particular job position. Clear? On the job method of training, they are performing the job, then it is known as on the job method of training. Employees trained in an organization when they are performed on the job. That is called on the job method of training. Next one, of the job method of training, when the organized employees trained from separate on his work, then we can say of the job method of training. The training the employees by taking them away from their work position. Training of employees by taking them away from their work position, which means employees are given a break from the job and sent for training. Employees first of all separate on his work and after that sent for training, and when he is trained then after that he can again send on his work. That is called of the job method of training. In simple word you can say on the job method of training, the employees trained on work position, then we can say on the job method of training, and employees trained from outside of the work, we can say that is of the job method of training. Now we will discuss the popular method of on the job method of training is first apprenticeship program, next one internship program, next one induction or orientation training program. In apprenticeship program training, the firm is appoint a master worker, and the master worker trained the all employees perform on the job position. He always perform the job, and the trainees always see and learn step by step, and one by one he can perform in the organization, and the master worker is give the guidance and supervision he can take. It is very popular method for job. Next one, internship program. In this program, the corporate sector and educational sector maintain the contract for the training. The educational sector give the theoretical knowledge to employees or students, and the practical knowledge given by the organization. An organization have a benefit of fresh talent, advanced knowledge, etc. And the employees perform in the organization and get the practical knowledge. Firm is also paid a very small amount to employees, it is called ST. Next one, induction and orientation training. Induction means the process of receiving or welcome employees when the first joining in an organization. So when the employees first time join in an organization, then the organization give the basic knowledge to employees how to perform on a particular job position. That is induction. Orientation, that means that is create the familiar to employees in an organization for the introduce of existing employees. Next one, of the job method of training, vestibule school. When the machine is so sophisticated and expensive, so at the moment the employees trained from separate on his work and sent for training on the dummy model. And when he is trained on dummy model, and after that sent back on his job position. That's your vestibular school, and that's your of the job method of training. We have another lot of types of the job method of training. The first one is vestibular school, next one computer modeling, next one seminar, next one conference, etc. That's your another types of the job method of training. Clear beta? So that's your chapter is finished. Today we are discuss 3 questions. The first one, what is training? Briefly explain the benefit of training in the respect of organization as well as employees. Next one, what is training? Briefly explain the types of method of training. Next one, what is on the job method of training? Briefly explain it's a common technique. What is of the job method of training? Briefly explain it's a common technique. Clear beta? Your chapter is finished. If you have any problem, you can contact me. You will prepare all the questions on your fair copy. Clear? And you will also learn one by one question. Clear? Thank you very much.